We've been traveling for more than 20 years across 4 continents and dozens of countries by planes, trains, and automobiles. Oh, and of course, cruise ships. Along the way, we figured out what's actually worth packing and what just ends up collecting dust in the room.
So today we're sharing 15 items that have earned their place in our luggage time and time again. Things we'll still bring after 35 cruises, plus a few lessons from the ones that didn't make the cut.
Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a frequent sailor, these packing tips will help you stay organized, save space, and make your cabin feel like home.
Grab a pen or just screenshot the list and let's get started.
If you've watched us before, you know this one's a classic: magnets. Cruise cabins are made of metal, which means the walls are like one big magnetic board.
We used to bring those giant, heavy-duty ones that could probably hold up a car door, but now we've switched to the small, lightweight magnets. They're strong enough for hats, lanyards, shirts, or even beach bags, and they take up almost no space.
We use them for everything: hanging excursion bags, drying swimsuits, organizing charging cords, even holding our daily planners and shore excursion tickets on the wall so we can actually see them.
It's amazing how a few magnets can turn the tiny cabin into an organized space. Just toss them in a small pouch so they don't stick to your hairbrush or charger cords.
You can grab a pack of 20 or 30 on Amazon for next to nothing.
Trust us, once you've used them, you'll never cruise without them again.
So tell us, do you pack magnets for your cruise cabin? Drop your favorite hack in the comments below.
This one has become almost a travel companion at this point, our folding laundry basket.
It's been everywhere with us: Europe, the Caribbean, South America, and after 10 years, it's still going strong.
It folds totally flat in the suitcase, weighs next to nothing, and suddenly gives you somewhere to toss all those dirty outfits that seem to multiply mid-cruise.
It's one of those simple things that keeps your cabin from feeling like a clothes explosion by day 3.
Some people use garbage bags, but this one actually lets air circulate so your laundry doesn't start to, develop character.
Do yourself a huge favor and get one. You'll thank yourself about halfway through your trip. And let us know below, do you have one or did you find something even better?
Packable backpack or beach bag.
I love this one because it's small but mighty, our packable backpacks.
I use the Sea to Summit Day Pack, and when it first arrived, I laughed. It folds up smaller than an apple, looks like it couldn't hold a sandwich, but it's surprisingly big and strong.
We've used it for everything: excursions, beach days, port shopping, grabbing snacks before embarkation. It's perfect for days when you don't need a full bag, but you still want something handy.
It's also perfect if you're doing carry-on only travel. It takes up next to no room in your bag, yet you can use it as your personal item on planes if you need to, and then it becomes our port bag on cruise days.
I still pack my over-the-shoulder beach bag. It folds flat and adds no weight, and it's like an old blankie. It's been everywhere with me.
I think the backpack wins for overall flexibility. It's the definition of small space, big payoff. Even though we usually have a drink package, we never cruise without our refillable water bottles.
We use the Owala 25-ounce stainless steel bottles. They keep water icy cold for hours, and that dual function lid lets you sip or chug.
We use them everywhere: airports, airplanes, on beach days, or exploring ports. Plus, it's a small way to cut down on single-use plastics.
Bonus, you'll always have water ready for excursions, especially in hot climates like the Caribbean or Mediterranean. This one's easy to overlook, but we've learned the hard way: always bring more than one pair of sunglasses.
I can't tell you how many pairs I've left on pool decks or lost in the water, so now I only bring inexpensive polarized ones with good UV protection.
Meanwhile, I'll admit it, I bring a more stylish pair or 2, but they still need to block UV rays. Tropical sun can be brutal.
Mine are Zenitic polarized. They're affordable, comfortable, and they survive me.
He's not wrong. And if you're prone to losing them, keep a spare pair in your excursion bag.
Sunglasses aren't just fashion, they're eye protection. If you've watched us before, you already know compression packing cubes are the secret to travel sanity.
We've tried the old regular cubes, vacuum bags, all of it, but compression cubes win every time.
They save a ton of space, and even more importantly, they keep everything organized. We separate by clothing type or sometimes by day, so we grab one cube and go.
We even pack one cube for our pre-cruise hotel stay and others for the ship, so we don't have to tear everything out until after we get on board.
Vacuum bags might seem smart, but they wrinkle clothes and need pumps. They can also tear and then you're up the creek. Compression cubes are light, sturdy, reusable, and way easier.
They've turned packing and unpacking into a 5-minute job. This is one that people often forget until it's too late, a universal power adapter.
Cruise ships often have a mix of North American and European outlets, so bringing one adapter gives you extra plug options.
The one we use is 100 watts and works in the UK, Europe, and Australia. It's got a regular plug plus multiple USB and USB-C ports, and it even supports fast charging.
But here's the important part. It's an adapter, not a converter. It changes the shape of the plug, not the voltage.
So if your device isn't dual voltage, you could fry it. We know someone who learned that lesson with her hair straightener.
Yep, our daughter's hair straightener went up in a puff of smoke in Ireland. Don't let that be you.
So check your electronics and devices before you travel. Dual voltage only.
When you cruise for 10 days or more, laundry becomes inevitable.
But that doesn't mean hauling your entire wardrobe. We travel with a few laundry essentials. Tide sticks for spills, Downy wrinkle release for suitcase wrinkles, and Tide sink packets for quick hand washes.
You'd be surprised how much space you save by re-wearing things. Just wash, hang in the shower overnight, and they're good to go.
Most cruise showers also have a retractable clothesline that you can use, but we also use our magnetic hooks to hang shirts or swimsuits, and by morning, they're dry.
It's a small effort that saves big time, money, and suitcase space.
Remember those giant towel clips? They were really cute, but bulky and broke all the time.
We switched to towel bands, stretchy, compact, and way more effective. They keep your towel secure on windy pool decks or beaches.
They take up almost no room, and you don't have to dig through your bag looking for mismatched plastic clips anymore.
It's a simple upgrade, but one that makes pool days just a little smoother. We learned over the years that something always happens. A blister, a sunburn, an upset stomach.
That's why we built our own mini first aid kit. Band-aids, blister patches, pain relievers, upset stomach meds, and our dentist even gave us a tiny emergency dental kit for popped fillings.
The ship's medical center can help, but it's expensive. And it's easier to have what you need right in your cabin.
It's not glamorous, but it's a real lifesaver when you need it. Okay, this is one I can't live without, our little rechargeable fan.
It's perfect for a bit of white noise and keeping the air moving when the cabin gets stuffy.
We used to bring one that took AA batteries. This one is USB rechargeable and it lasts all night.
It's small, quiet, and makes a huge difference for sleep.
It's one of those things that you don't realize you need it until you have it, and then you'll never cruise without it again.
Here's one we bring mostly for beach days or port days, a microfiber towel, or chamois.
It's lightweight, dries super fast, and doesn't soak up sand or get heavy like the ship towels do.
We don't bring it on every cruise, but for Caribbean or beach itineraries, it's worth the small space it takes up in your suitcase.
It's also great for impromptu picnics, water taxi rides, or drying off after snorkeling. This one might not sound glamorous, but trust us, you want them.
Yep, step on a sharp rock once and you'll never forget it. These Deuceport water shoes are light, comfy, and they dry fast.
They're great for snorkeling, rocky beaches, or waterfall excursions.
They take up almost no room and they'll save your feet from a world of pain.
These little pouches are lifesavers for beach or pool days.
We use them to protect our phones, cards, and cash from sand and splashes.
They're waterproof, lightweight, and some even float. Perfect if you're taking a tender or a small boat to shore.
And if you're a content creator or just love photos, it means you can film in waist-deep water without worrying about ruining your phone.
And last but not least, the humble Ziploc bag.
Seriously, these are the unsung heroes of travel. They weigh almost nothing and they come in handy for everything. Wet swimsuits, leaking toiletries, snacks, or even organizing cables.
We bring a few different sizes and we end up using almost all of them on every single trip.
They're the simplest, cheapest packing hack there is.
So there you have it, our 15 cruise packing essentials that have stood the test of time.
Some have traveled with us for over a decade. Others are new finds that instantly earned a permanent spot in the suitcase.
If you're planning your next adventure, check out the other videos in this packing series, like our long flight essentials and must-have travel tech gadgets. We'll link them right here once they go live.
And if you haven't joined our Dockside crew yet, hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new episode. We post cruise tips, ship tours, and destination guides every week.
Drop a comment below and tell us What's your can't cruise without item? We might feature your idea in a future video.
In the meantime, if you're looking for more cruise planning advice, here's a video on what you should be thinking about 30 days before you cruise.
Thanks for watching.